Hey guys, it's Redstone here, and today we are gonna do my first impressions of the Monoprice i3 mini 3D printer. And I've had this printer for about 3 days now, and I personally really like it so far. And that's a little bit ironic because I made a hate video of the second generation based on this machine, and people got really upset at me. But so far, I'm extremely impressed, and I'll go over those points in this video. I do have a couple cons. I'm going to do a full review of this next Wednesday, so look out for that. But these are my first impressions of this machine, so let's get right into it. First things first, I really like the upgrades that they did to this over the original V2 of the Monoprice Mini. Let me show you what they did. This is the biggest upgrade I think they did. Inside, dang it, I can have to get a good view. Inside, you'll get what I'm saying. Inside, they have a proper lead screw now. So they don't have any of that DC motor with like a little tiny threaded rod that creates Z-axis wobble. I can promise you guys, there is no Z-axis wobble now. Oh my word, thank you Monoprice. Actually, it's Wanhao. Wanhao actually made this one, but you know, whatever. Also, another cool feature that's kind of an upgrade is that the fan here blows right over the nozzle much better than the old one. So now it cools a lot better. There's also another upgrade to the extruder. The extruder is much better. It's much more robust. The screen is different, as you can see. It actually has a proper knob, as you can see. It's very tactile. But the biggest upgrade to this, and I think what makes it a really great selling point, is that the power supply is internal. So, you know, I sell a lot of things on eBay, and it sucks, because I have to include the power supplies and the power cables to the person who's buying the machine, and I always lose them. But with this, it just uses a standard PC power plug, or any power plug that you just find with 3 prongs. I love that about this machine. Couple of downsides though. It does not have a heated bed anymore. Some people will think that's a gripe. In my opinion, it's actually better. It'll use less electricity. And also, I find that PLA sticks to this fine. If you just put a light coat of glue on it, and you should be good to go. So no worries about that. Also, another little upgrade that they did was the leveling system. It's a lot better. On the old one, you actually had to use a little Allen key to level the bed. Now, it stayed level pretty okay. I had to re-level it every, 5 prints. But this seems to stay level, which I like. A lot of printers don't stay level. Another upgrade that they did was in the extruder area. I don't know how well you can see that. Oh, that's a nice close-up shot. There we go. That is actually a V6 clone now. They used to have a V5 clone. So, I think this printer is a pretty good value, especially because it's $150. Yeah, you guys heard me. It's $150 on eBay. I bet you can't find that pricing on Gearbest. But you know, I really like this printer for a lot of reasons. I think it's worth that $150. I know I'm gonna say in my final verdict, I'm gonna test this printer the entire week. I'm gonna see how it performs. And I'll give you my final verdict in my review. All I'm going to say is that this printer is a pretty good value, and I would recommend it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See you next Wednesday, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, / night, or evening, or whatever time it is for you. Bye!